As a graphic designer, one of the things I've learned over the years is that a great birthday flyer is not about adding more elements, it's about using the right ones in the right way. In this video, I will show you how to combine fonts, colors and images to create a flyer that looks clean, professional and memorable. If you want your designs to stand out and attract more clients, you would like to watch this video to the end. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. This is my workspace. Now the first thing I want you to do is to click on the last icon, go to color, yes, then give it a white color. Now the dimension that we'll be using to create this birthday flyer is the default dimension. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Image size 1280 by 1280. Okay, now let's import the background of the design. So guys, this is the background of the design. Let's import it. Beautiful. Then go to relative size, increase the width, increase the height. Beautiful. Now guys, before I proceed any further, I want to make a quick announcement. I would like you to know that our first boot camp for the year will be starting in the month of March. You can see the flyer right there on your screen. I want you to be a part of this training. If you're a novice, a beginner or an amateur, we've got your back because this training is for you. You are going to be learning a whole lot. So I want you to join us. You will find the link in the description of this video, and do well to share it on your WhatsApp status for those that would like to learn or acquire a skill. This opportunity is for you, and don't miss it for any reason whatsoever. So guys, let's continue. Now we've imported the background, so click on this icon at the right top corner of your phone. Let's lock the background. Beautiful. Now the next thing we need to import is the pictures of the celebrant. So this is the pictures of the celebrant. Yes, I know that many of you are surprised. Yes, this picture is the picture of the celebrant, the husband and the wife. So the both of them happens to be birthday mates. Yes, same birth month and same birthday. Okay, now let's continue. This is okay. Place it at the center, copy it, delete the one behind, then put it here. Make sure you centralize it, very important. Okay, now click on this icon, lock it. Yes, now let's import the two images behind this one. I'm going to import them together. So as you can see, I've imported the two images. So bring this down, bring this down. Now click on this, take this one behind, take the other one behind. Very important. Now for this other one, let's position it. So we're going to stretch it. Okay, increase it again, then place it here. Okay, this is good. Now for this other one, increase it. Now for this other one, let's increase it from here. Okay, then bring it down. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Yes, this is okay. I think we still have to increase this one a little, just a little. Go to relative size, increase it a little. Okay, okay, this is okay. Take it up a little. Okay, this is good. Now for this other one, place it here. Now let's check if these two images are on the same line. So let's apply our grid lines. Okay, let's check. Okay, the two of them are on the same line, except for this other one. They are almost on the same line. Okay, I think this is good. This is good now. Now let's continue with the design. Now the next thing we need to import is those elements you saw behind the image of the celebrant, and I'm going to import them one after the other. Now this is the first one, so click on your good icon, take it behind. Beautiful. Now let's lock this other image to avoid unnecessary movement. Make sure you lock all, then highlight this, reduce it. Okay, this is good. This is good. Now go to relative size, reduce it from there a little. Okay, this is good. Now let's import the second one. So guys, this is the second one. Let's import it. Go to relative size, reduce it. Hope you are gaining value from this class. Okay, now let's take it behind. Okay, now we need to position it well. Okay, this is good. This is good. Now we will need to import something else, that dark shadow you saw on the original design, and we're going to import it now. So guys, this is the dark shadow I'm talking about. Please don't miss that training, I mean our boot camp. I beg you in the name of God, make sure you join our WhatsApp group, because you are going to learn a whole lot. I'm going to be teaching you guys a whole lot. In fact, the things I'm going to teach you guys will blow your mind. See, it is a crime for you not to have a skill in 2026. I'm telling you the truth, it is a big crime. And I don't want you to go through this year without achieving your goals, your dreams, and your vision. I believe that for some of you who are listening to me right now, one of your goals for 2026 is for you to master a skill, and this opportunity is staring at your face right now. All you need to do is for you to go to the description of this video and click on the link. It will automatically take you to our group chat. So place it here. Beautiful. Graphic design is one skill that can put money in your pocket, so don't miss this opportunity. Now after you are done with the placements, lock the dark shadow. Now let's import the happy birthday write-up and their names. So guys, this is the happy birthday write-up. Okay, now reduce it again, so place it here. Go to eraser, increase this. Now we want to erase that sharp edge, so be careful while doing this. Very careful. Okay, be very careful while doing this. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, we are done. Okay, we are done. So click on the good icon. Now let's go and import their names. So guys, this is their names. I've imported it. Now let's import the word and. You know it is Ruben Daniel and Ruben Daniel Joy. So let me import it quickly. So guys, as you can see, I've imported virtually everything, both the date of their birthday, which was 1st of August. I created this design last year. I think the last thing here is the birthday wish. So go to your A icon, go to test, go to edit. It's already on my phone, so increase it. Okay, this is okay. Now go to color, give it a white color. Now go to font. We are going to change the font. Montserrat. Okay, I think let's use Montserrat regular. Now go to size, reduce the size. Okay. Okay, I think we'll have to do some adjustments. Let's adjust this a little. Okay. Let's adjust the name a little in order to accommodate that right up. Let's move this. Okay. Okay. Now for this, let's move it. Okay, then go to line spacing, increase it. Okay, it's okay. Now go to opacity. Let's reduce the opacity a little. Okay, this is good. Now for this, let's move it a little. Okay, so guys, we are done with this birthday flyer. If you know you are new here, quickly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like, share, and also drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I am fully convinced that you learned something new today, and don't forget to join our bootcamp, because that bootcamp is for you and you will never regret joining the training. Thank you so much. I'm Steve Vixen Tech. For you to gain access to the design resources, do well to watch the video to the end, because at interval certain figures will appear on the video, and those figures is the password. So do well to take note of each and every one of them, and when you are done, you combine them together in order for you to unlock the design resources. Do well to watch the next video that will appear on your screen.